Are you trying to decide between new vinyl siding and a new roof for your Collegeville, Pennsylvania home? Consider the benefits of completing both projects together. Completing one project or the other will have a tremendous effect on your home's curb appeal. So just imagine what combining them will do. Transforming the two largest surfaces of your Montgomery County home will make a bold statement. You'll also save money by combining your vinyl siding installation with a roof replacement, as you only have to pay for crews to come to your house one time. Parts of the roof need to come off to install siding, and parts of the siding need to come off to install roofing. Instead of setting up two different projects that will place your home under construction twice, you'll enjoy a shorter period of inconvenience. The combination of these projects will dramatically improve your home's energy efficiency when you choose high-quality products. You'll have excellent results for maintaining a comfortable indoor air temperature. When you're ready to replace your vinyl siding and roofing in Collegeville, Pennsylvania, turn to the experts at Baines Roofing. Call us today at 215-855-ROOF to schedule a free estimate.